Okay, the next thing you go to anashingi nucleus chela, and next occasionally the endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum la part ni dua. Rough endoplasmic reticulum ta smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Cell occasionally mean data. The remove it. So the tube your lasa tube shape and tube mango tajo che ani papa in the folded tube, papa in the chicken membrane in the round in the tajo in the channel the papa and the tubes in the door or the continues to go. Any holes of the nuclear pores okay. Now the nucleus nuclear pores nuclear pores the killer this and the cancer cytoplasm okay. Tissue the endoplasmic reticulum la ribosomes la dot shape and the ribosome koran ke mix khare me ta shi de dots sewch akutungu na and the gogo chinju grains to sto sew and o the khare organically shemba chiteda ine di ribosome di khai kam la yore na endoplasmic reticulum ni ja kam la use the endoplasmic reticulum di tube and papa membrane folded in the mango period. The structure function rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is attached with particles called ribosomes. Ribosome attached here, which are site of protein synthesis. That okay, endoplasmic reticulum gamla dot in there any particles in the uterus or the locale there any ribosomes and ribosomes ke khachore cell la proteins or manufacture lana synthesis la make proteins sagi area site lana area proteins sagi such as the ribosome. So ribosome ki proteins so the khai gamla do rough endoplasmic reticulum gamla do. Then a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It helps in manufacture of fat molecules or lipids which are important for the cell function. Okay. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum ki laga kharchi do silu yoras cell silu goya jikda lipids ta nicha shangse rig re ye fats re da lipids njo ta the high classes la dona and fats ta lipids this roga kya sus fat fat nana okay, so if fat molecules lipids molecules smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, that is proteins, fats, the proteins that energy tira. So cell la activity function energy kora, raw energy kora. Okay. The next process tube, membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis process tube. Some proteins and lipids are used to build the cell membrane, and such process is called the cell membrane biogenesis. Okay. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum ki fat molecules manufacture chidwa synthesize chidwa suyudwa ina shin ki lipid suyudwa dinso suyudu kala ani khajin sugores lana ani fat molecule khashe ta lipid molecule khashe gi cell gi ani membrane develop chugores to build a cell membranes lana thingi plasma membrane thangshu so occasionally thangshu chaza plant cell animal cell kach. Okay, so cell membrane the develop chair, built up chair. Cell membrane deform, dead chana, rebuild chair. Fats molecules, lipid molecules, all the process the membrane biogenesis. The endoplasmic reticulum ki function overall smooth endoplasmic reticulum rough endoplasmic reticulum ki function to serve as a channels for the transport of materials, especially proteins, between the various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Okay, the rough endoplasmic reticulum gamla dot shape ribosomes in the structure in the doa di ribosome na khar se ola so protein synthesize chi ola sa protein synthesize chi ne ta kyo ani endoplasmic reticulum da occasionally shemba chama khai na le thingi jelly like liquids okay so endoplasmic reticulum gi nanglo le chi khan na channels transport system ta kon transport system tubules cha ni la sa sacs of sacs tubes in the part in the and membrane covered chi ordinary la sa endoplasmic reticulum ki structure so di gala kon so khachore ribosomes ki protein synthesize chi sa chela cytoplasm na yora matangura and cytoplasm ne tang and cytoplasm na nanglo na kare organelle shempa din sula protein ko ina ne adina shin ki nucleus la bu ina nucleus la ani kare protein ko ina the tube ki ne red endoplasmic reticulum ki tube ki ne tangores transport system. It functions as a cytoplasmic framework providing a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell. Okay. Ani endoplasmic reticulum na di ta cytoplasm na shi large borders. It functions as a cytoplasmic framework la du gala cytoplasm khare ko jelly like liquid structure ra ko ta such as huge tumor dinal organelle sama dera ta organelle sama so shape lo je function chi dera so function sama lo o dinde na shingi ani endoplasmic reticulum ge ta ko space chiksugor osa providing a surface for some of the biochemical reactions la ne ta jo respiration burning of food then shin catabolic anabolic reaction ma jora protein synthesize chur carbohydrate process synthesize chur break down chur dinjo sama chisa gi khuyu chige tungores las dekha sa endoplasmic reticulum ki nangla activity dinjo chur ta ye doctor chemical reactions chur smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs dama chu sube nangla ani pena changra dunga ta thama dunga ta eni chidu kala dina shi drugs tamanda lendi kala je ya juro poisons chemical substance dina shi khala dam under sana chemical reaction chine side product mabuch produce chura or dinjo the unwanted side product chemical substance dinjo nganju supo la khacha ore dhuk chagora on the mewa swinge changma swinge di switch gorala na smooth endoplasmic reticulum okay detoxifying nana poisons the drugs dinjo mewa swing changma swinge res changma swinge chugores la changma swinge cell nangla smooth endoplasmic reticulum ki okay the next organelle dikhare Golgi apparatus Golgi body body Golgi body Golgi apparatus osa tai there membrane bound into the papa folded to the mangoch section cutting chitan loga the membrane bound and the tapchi thekyo to in the membrane folded membranes pe mangor folded membranes Golgi apparatus kona pakpara membrane lana pakparda and chikar chikcha ne folding suyo okay so the Golgi apparatus ta dinamo part chinju ta dinjo chinju chukchina jangare osa henda kiras kare asa Golgi apparatus korang khare do organelle chikche a function khardos so Golgi apparatus ki main structure dikhare folded membranes yores FOLDED folded membranes. It consists of a system of membrane-bound vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in a stacks called cisterns. Okay, stacks lana cha era. So membrane-bound vessels lana tubes che and membrane gi so yo tengi the bound in jam bound in tik do. Vessels lana lusa yo che vessels la du nam gyu ne chu do ra lusa Kuche and this hama chulo dun sama papa and the tado stacks lana ya tago on the khala so cisternia lana single chikra cisterns lana plural okay what is structure portion hota then function its function includes the storage mortification and packing of products in vesicles okay la mamu chingda da Golgi bodies ki khare lana storage is a storage tela nga zo thapjang na no la labda nezang na no la de da ju da din sama khare market ne storage is a chi da dina shingi se kimza na thapjang ge ya store room na ne ya storage shag da okay so dina shingi cell na no la ta nga zo protein ke ani carbohydrates fats molecules lipids in the mangush kora din zo sama storage is a Golgi apparatus res dine modification changes कैसे chemical substance था अनि यहाँ दिन आशिंग के molecules इंजे रो आदिन जो लानी युवा तंग बोलना दिचिस तंग सा दी तंगे दिसु लाना Golgi apparatus दिने packaging of products in the vesicles देंगे protein endoplasmic rough endoplasmic reticulum का नामलो ला ribosomes की खर्च दो protein synthesize ची दो protein synthesize ची अनि tube ना पास तंग दो right okay पास तंगे दे वो दे रहता है इन्हें packing चीने चोरा synthesize chine packing chingye chora dina shingi energy rich molecules ta ni mangorta okay or jo packing chingye chora di Golgi apparatus res the Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of lysosomes okay ta cell organelle shemba chile horta Golgi apparatus ki ani khare sugo res lana cell organelle sawach sugo lysosomes lech को खड़े सोवर खचिन सोवर शेंपा ओकेनली समांगे नि सेल ना नगे नि योरता ता लाइसोसोम दिनसो सोशी चीज खचिन रे तो अनको का फंक्शन कर दो दि चला गो सो इने धंधा करे व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द Golgi apparatus लादुगला Golgi apparatus की a cell organelles one cell organelles called lysosomes दिनसो मैन्युफैक्चर चुगोरेस the lysosomes enlarge karadi watermelon cut chikitus ta yana apple cut chikitus ta okay so kora lysosome che osa suicide bag lega lysosome che ti namlo cutting china namlo la ti papa da membrane da ti namlo la enzymes digestive enzymes you call it digestive enzyme main la on the enzymes cha okay enzyme dikhe chijurda lysosome so Golgi apparatus ki suyu synthesize chida and lysosome the cell organelles reda parts of the cell chik reda lysosomes are kind of waste disposal system of the cell ta cell na biochemical reaction mangu pe chura chidu gala mane reaction chidu gala products produce yura products mambuchi khare manjol phejo yore product ashe khare thingi ala so waste re so unwanted so the unwanted into cell na ha de na khachire na ja suyura right and cell chola tangra cell gi part into chola tangra so di inza ani kaza changma sumi di su re la na lysosomes re so pe na lapta na la kini lusa kene godwa dustbins godwa adina shingi kini tasa kaza dispose chisa ji godwa di me na keni chama labda na hadira okay so labda ku yu chu chaga so dina shingi cell gi environment internal external chama ani chama chi ku ja chama cho khare la na waste products ra chemical reaction mangus chura catabolic anabolic mangus reaction chi ge ja waste product cell la mo ba ri mangu chi khare chama sumi di su la na lysosomes ki so res cheza it is a disposal system of the cells like this. It helps to keep the cell clean by digesting many foreign material as well as worn out cell organelles. Ta ko chama khande suyo res lana swa ani by digesting then the remove dina la to lysosome la enzymes kora la mixi gi enzymes ta enzymes la juice to shiro rosa okay juice ri to shire adi khachi ore foreign materials ta chulo ne bacteria ani virus dina shinge ya the supuna na mogo ya in the material ma to khala gyuni chu gyuni to ora supuna lung gyuni to ora dinzo sama foreign materials ta chulo chini ne gyo ra o dinzo sama ani khachi re da na enzyme ki release che lysosome ki enzyme release che ani ma breakdown chine me so ro dina shinge ya cell shikyo ra worn out cells wa ta cell shikyo cell thola dogyo cell dead chagyo o dinzo ta nanglol ha dira o dinzo ko khachi ore enzyme release chine digest che breakdown che a khachi ore kora me cha do okay lysosomes contain enzyme which break down all the organic material burst itself and hence it is called as a suicide bags cheza Kui kachi do chama suido cell ki part ta cell ki chilo ta nanglo chama suido karla enzymes chi release chinta chama suido chama breakdown che decompose chugo. Okay, di chiwe kapla kora cell organelle kora e meocha dos. Kora ka de meocha jang kon suido suido kolki apparatus ki suido. So cheza kora meocha yo jang ku ki khala meo khatis chagore ta chimendo chagor kare kora gi cell di chama suido cell ki kuyu internal external chama suido chiduna foreign materials ta cell shigyo ta dun chama digest chigo ar kora chidor je cheza kona min ka legre suicide bags labores. Okay, the next the organelle दिखाया है mitochondria. Mitochondria membrane like structure peanut tosta peanut badam tosta enche nanglo la di sama folded membrane pakpaira de sama membrane in the folded membranes chasa sama folded membranes. Okay, membrane pe magoda ta di organelle yang nucleus cell la kechi chik dis mitochondria cell nanglo la cell re nanglo la kechi organelle chik di khacha gore mitochondria kora la DNA dua. Okay, intermembrane space membrane yi par to pa di membrane pa che nanglo che chilo outer membrane che matrix lana nanglo la liquid fluid che dene mitochondria kora la so ribosomes ke la kare imbe protein synthesize chinge ani mitochondria kora la kare re mixing organelle shamba changma la yo ma DNA do genetic material. Okay, so mitochondria thank you this kya do mitochondria is known as a powerhouse of the cell mean shamba khares lana mitochondria ke mean shamba khare lana powerhouse power lana nibatenge shuptenge laga chinge chisagi ani phasa energy tenge jora odi ta dila du cell la energy tewors cell la energy tewor la na cell organelle changma energy kora activity chiela unzo function che grow chore develop chore tina shinki chemical reaction chore din chama function chiwala energy kora so energy sources yongsa dikhagi de la na mitochondria pena ma zo ina nang susu nang na chu dina tabjan dirata anjo la khale energy khane ragore foods na ragora so food sadu gala food chemical dichi convert chene anjo la muscular energy dan mangus ragora. Okay, so the dina shingi cell la energy sources dikhai rela na mitochondria. The energy required for various chemical activities needed life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate molecules. Jezanta energy tewor la sapa. Jezan powerhouse law. Why mitochondria is called as a powerhouse? Because it releases an energy-rich molecule called ATP, adenosine triphosphate molecules. That what the release. Then I also show you that namsa yang koni niwo kala namsa sai mindo dibaru la tujush ke tongba do adina shingi kenzu da jinja so ekabla choge shokja chuzu tukwa sa sa jela chuzu chukji slash ne breaks tangu do so de ne di parula ma so energy di subuna energy dik du do activity sama chitu do amjo nye da luje je da lojong jang da sama dik du da onde khajin ra 아주 칼라 사교 쇼자 사교 든저 칼라 망고지 컨버트 치고 그래서 컨버트네 칼라 스토어 치고 리버나 스토어 치고래 아니 디나싱기 마이토콘드리아 나물라 땡게 칼라 사교기 에너지 모리큘스 오라 든저 투 컨버트 치니 ATP 나물라 폼스네 스토어 치니 샤워 다 쇼게 쇼자 사네 젠추즈 주지 바다 액티비티 치교 창마라 카레 에너지 마 릴리즈 치고 갑라 칸데스 릴리즈 치고래 in the form of ATP molecules release 치고 ADP the ATP la sene and ma release chine the energy ma jo cell din jo phejo dane ya chi thor osa. Okay, they have their own DNA ni dingila sa kon jola ta organelle mangko chila yo marta DNA te ine mitochondria la so DNA yores tene ribosomes yores ta di thiwa yo sa yene me di chikrida. Therefore they are able to make some of their own proteins. Okay, so called DNA la genetic material la sa ribosome yo sa protein synthesize chubores. So the mitochondria protein synthesize chi so chi tu yo sa endoplasmic reticulum ne protein ne gomars. Osa kachene so la ribosomes to. So ribosomes ke liya kare protein synthesize chi. Okay. The next the plastids. Plastids the plant cell ma do yomara. Animal cell na yomara. Manzo khala suetu omara. Manzo kare ani heterotrophs. Semje shembala khala tene semje shembala tene khala sahora. The plants la do green plants dinzo ani autotrophs ra. Autotrophs yibe gumje kare konzola plastids la ne cell organelles chi loma ginangro la. Loma organ che tina shingi loma gi pakpashpa o de la kaze na zo di changa ra kasa skin ka changa ra so di loma gi pakpa di nang cell khala re cell mango pe da cell ni cell inde paru korang gi loma ke cell re paru la ani kare organelle chloroplast layers. Osa chloroplast. Chloroplast namula ni kare green pigment chlorophyll layers. Okay. So the plastid layer they are chloroplast type chigre. So the ani green the death so the jambu tambo idumze. Cha do ya sex ya cha do. Okay. Ta di kora re ki part plastid re gangza chigi ani kare parts inner membrane intermembrane and space che outer membrane chilo da nangro ni ja ki paru tongwa che aqueous stoma aqueous fluid la dugala ani liquid chu ki khamgyo di che ra lumen nana di tongba ki di lagorte inside of thyroid okay that means the part the chukji na jangra ine tanda kencho khari changore plastics the plastids la yo mambo re swa plastic te majo and the plants na cell di chloroplast and di jele tissue namna tis chambers okay di kora la green chloroplast loma na yo la sa so tenda majo loma na la epidermal tissues so no thinki ye loma as a whole organ ra ti namlo la cell mambo la sa on di papa de la kare epidermal tissue re paru la kare re ani chloroplast cell organelles yora chloroplast okay chloroplast di jambu thi koi gimje kare na dinangula chlorophylls yor ta chlorophyll la a b c di yorta okay ta chloroplast ka la ya mangu to de chromoplast elioplast etioplast proplastids and amyloplast la ne mangu yo mangu do. Okay, and the plastids green pigment you get the plastids. The plant cell is only present in plant cell types of plastids. Then the emissions of chromoplast, colored plastids. Okay, then I have loma jambu in bigumze, jambu hachin re, chunta yugo, jambu hachin re pigment, green pigment yuza, chlorophyll yuza, jambu. Then I think tomato colored reda. Means manguchi colored reda, colored yugo sanga la kare yore, and pigment khare yore chromoplast like the colored plastids. Then the next type of plastid the leucoplast, colorless plastids. Ta khashe kare plastids yorda colorless plastids color ne ke o din so la khale re leucoplast. So plants namula colored plastids ta ani non colored plastids la ni yo colored plastids din so la khale re chromoplast. Color make your dinzo la leucoplast. Okay, the chromoplast lana plastids containing the pigment chlorophyll are known as a chloroplast. Chromoplast lana plastic che chromoplast kura and plastic ki or plastic imbache and din angola pigment chlorophyll la diores rache jang and chromoplast dindegi chlorophyll yugyo dinzo la chloroplast. Chromoplast kora plastic reda. Oza ta plastic di nangola chlorophyll doa. Chlorophyll yoja ane kola kale chloroplast le res. Chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis. That is also chance center to go to photosynthesis na new seju dani nime che chu che and carbon dioxide che and dina shinki chlorophyll din sanga jomna shine ani plants namola chloroplast namola ani kare photosynthesis chibur. Okay, the colorless pigment, colored makeup key pigment is leucoplast. Materials like starch, carbohydrates, plants in the photosynthesis cheese and starch. C6H12O6 starch. Then oils and proteins are stored in leucoplast. Leucoplast the namola starch oils protein plants namola product manguch yogora. Penanganzo plants ki product num mangush to. Okay, so all the plants protein synthesize chineda ragora. And then I think tema jangu doji dal dang rajma the grains that dinso sanga na grams dinso namola protein right some plants ki product. So these are the plants na protein form chito then I think oils and num sanum mangush to vegetable oils mangush to then starch obviously they are prepared khala photosynthesis chin starch prepared chigura dinso sanga sasa dikhai re leucoplast. Plastids have their own DNA and ribosomes. Ta khagi da chipar do mitochondria la so DNA do dina shingi ribosomes to. So di la di kala plastic dincho la protein so synthesize chituor ka chene konche namno la dot like structures called ribosomes organelle di ribosomes ki protein synthesize chituor. The internal organization of the plastid consists of numerous membrane layers embedded in a material called stroma. Okay, the plastids ki nanglo las nanglo ki shape internal part or the internal organization nanglo ki part in the country digger lana plastid de la career lana mango membranous layer embedded in a material and Plusa dosche, vesicle dosche, or the membrane mango, numerous nana mango, answer mango, in there any membrane layer, the mango vessel china lukyo doshe, or the day de la halide, stroma like this, stroma. The term what did you put here? That tamadi. Chapter the thama, one part of the cell organelle dikhare, vacuole. Tongba, tongba, okay, the plant cell, plant cell vacuoles thanga bet mangayores, dina shingi size cheers, and cell chigi gaja juice chi and vacuoles ki occupy cheers. Hachene plants dinzo and color sogora, photosynthesis, and color sona store such gora. Penanzo, market ne color new ration dinzo new nanny, Hazana store chini, Nujin de Logalochin store chis of Bodwa, right? Debjila New York Chazan Sur and Satumara, so did the dus new in the sun shavdo. Chicochiga, Tamajo colors Sur to Gomar, Super store Chigomar. Children Sur and digest chi, breakdown chair, absorb chair in the chi, utilize chair in the chi, and the waste product in the Matemora. The plants in a Susu Super Namola raw material, Samale, children in lay, Puyule, and color photosynthesis chigora, right? Color sugora photosynthesis chin. Sudu gala, Super Namola colors, sir. Sudu Sasach Gora. Suada sa chigoma, Hachini Nigu Sugore, Gonda Nima Mezan, component chick mazan photosynthesis chitumara, Gonda Nima Mezan, carbon dioxide ragore, Dina Shinki chlorophyll yore, Chuni yorte, Hine, sunlight mezan, Yana light mezan, photosynthesis chitumar, Cheza, Gonda Kare, respiration. Chigora, Kala burn chigor, Ningu Soviet. So the Ningu Hachito, and photosynthesis chita, Chitu Kalani. Gang and photosynthesis chi anyway utilize chi chigorta in a Sogyo Chazang and utilize chigor and chigomar. So the Dugala was store chisach quota. This store chisa the Anikaina store chigores lana foot vacuoles, lana vacuole and chigor. And then Alaya Kalachibo store chisa lana mar waste product store cheese. So the Dugala and the current central vacuoles na cheta just to plant cell namola vacuole thanga bet mangayre size chere gaja cell ki area yana volume या जो गुपचूस दी अने vacuole की occupy cheers. Animal cell na vacuole thamani huge ma do mar kala store ajini yo mare ane size chunju yore sla mo gimje kala store chu mare the waste product is this store chu ma. Okay, so this is the last cell organelles or the parts of the cell. Oh yeah, tujhe naam